the ideology of a definitive answer and answers disconnected from the original context or from the original control group. One catch is that someone's existing mental habitat has an ideology of science being the definitive. For example, there's no control group because once you take something out of its natural place, then it's not a natural occurring thing. So is the control group is natural life on this planet is the real control group, and how things evolve in their natural setting is the control group, because that's got eons and eons of evolution to fine tune this organism to say, oh, well, we observed this process in what, in 10 years, 50 years, one human life, two human lives, 200 human lives. We've observed this for the last 300,000 years. Great. We still don't have the context because the thing we're observing's been in its ecosystem since way before that. So basically everything around us has been here longer than we have.